Frank here from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions, and it is my pleasure to introduce this 1977 Holden LX SLR 5000 Torana, and what a beast it is. This car's been fully restored from the ground up, fully rebuilt, presents in excellent condition inside and out, complete matching number, engine, gearbox. It really is as good as it gets, folks, for Aussie muscle cars. And of course finished in the hero colour of Absinth yellow over the black. Restored fully back to original specs as it left the factory. It does have all 3 original tags on it. And folks, you know, the collectors out there can tell you it is hard to find these cars, you know, with all of those original tags still on them, etc. So, a rare car, folks. It's an absolute honour to be driving it around today. And I can tell you that it drives beautifully, stops on a dime, really smooth through the gears. Folks, if you think you want to come and have a look at this, jump on our website, www.lloydsauctions.com.au, or give us a call, 1-800-456-588 to arrange an inspection. I recommend you do. Come down and have a look on the Gold Coast if you have time. Just an awesome SLR 5000, matching numbers. It's as good as it gets, folks. We'll see you at the auction.